Can I speak to the Walking Dead?
Oh, that would be Mr. O'Rourke. Hold on.
Asshole, stop pressing numbers. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Mr. O'Rourke, how are you doing?
What it was, sir? Who's that?
Hello?
O'Rourke, I'm sorry. I forget your first name. What was it again?
Oh, boy, that should be abused.
Did you just say shit on me?
Who?
What?
Who?
Mr. O'Rourke? Is this Mr. O'Rourke?
Yes, this is
Mr. O'Rourke, we forgot your first name. What is it? Francis?
Yeah, I remember
Thank you, baby. I remember you used to be a big swinger back in the days, back in the 1940s.
I sang with...
You sang with the bitches?
I saw you with Sinatra. You were wonderful. You brought the entire house down.
Good old blue eyes. Hello?
Oh, my God, you sound like you're smoking more than me.
Do you smoke the cigarettes, Mr. O'Rourke? Mr. O'Rourke, are you going to die on us? Oh, my God. You sound like you're coughing up a lung. Bring that shit up, honey. It'll make you feel better. You know, you used to be the hit of the gay bar.
I wanted to call because I understand your plight, because I've had problems with my own throat myself. I've had lung problems for many, many years, and I want you to know I support you in your fight against the lung disease. Are you there, Mr. O'Rourke?
Yeah, I'm here yet.
I want you to know that I'll be saying a prayer for you this evening.
Okay.
I want you to do well, and would you mind if I came and visited you and brought you some flowers sometime? Hello.
I know how you feel.
I'd like to visit you and bring you some flowers. Would that be all right with you?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Okay, my name is Joe Rosenthal. Do you have to put me in some kind of visitor list or something?
Mr. O'Rourke? Honey?
Yeah.
Do you need us to be on a visitor's list?
I want to visit you this Sunday. I'm going to bring you some flowers. And what would you like for dinner?
Oh, yeah.
I'd like to bring you something to make it up to you, because I know I've called you late at night so many, many times looking for my friend Margaret. She finally passed away, you know.
She died of lung cancer.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It's a very sad story, but we're not going to let that happen to you, Mr. O'Rourke. We're there fighting for you, and we're saying our prayers every night.
You sound sly and vicious, though. Do you want to hurt us?
No.
Do you wish us well, you bastard?
Well, yeah.
Oh, stop joking around.
You sound like you're choking on your own vomit. Are you going to die like Jimi Hendrix?
Oh, stop it.
Oh.
Mr. O'Rourke, I'll be saying a prayer for you this evening.
Who's Jimi Hendrix?
Hello! You bastard, speak up. I can't hear you.
I'd like to visit you this Sunday, and I'd like to wish my condolences to you, and I'd like to bring you dinner if I could.
Are you dying on us? Is that the nurse? Is this the nurse? Nurse! Nurse!
Hello? You want to hang up? Who is it?
Hello?
Can I help you?
Hello? Is this the nurse? Hello? My friend is on the phone. He's coughing up a lung. What can we do? Hello?
Who is this, please?
Hello, this is a friend of Mr. O'Rourke. What can we do? My friend's coughing up a lung.
Number 911.
Please, help me, sweetheart. Please, you hear her. She's gonna die. Look, be honest with me. I don't want my friend to die. Please help me.
You want the police?
No.
Police there? And the ambulance?
No.
Then what do you want?
I just want help for her.
Help.
Because if the police or the ambulance came, then she'd be scared and she'd die instantly.
They'll bring her to the hospital. Isn't that what you want?
No, I just want her to stop coughing. I think she's just choking on a pork chop.
Call 911. That's all you have to do.
No area code, no 7 numbers.
Oh, no. It's an emergency number. They made it as simple as possible.
You're such a dear, dear sweet woman. What is your name?
It doesn't matter, dear. Just call
Edna?
911.
Edna?
No.
Oh, dear God. Oh, my God. That was green.
911.
She just scooped up green vomit.
All right?
Oh, my God. Oh, dear God. Oh, inhuman. Does heroin make you puke up green vomit?
Who is this?
Who is this?
Yeah, what's your name?
This is Edna. We're a friend of Mr. O'Rourke.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. She's crying. Dear, are you okay?
All right, Edna. Do you want help or not?
Hello?
Do you want help or not?
She's dying.
Edna.
Oh, dear God. Oh, help us, please.
like this.
Oh, help us. And the kitty cat thing, don't let her die.
Edna, how can I call for medical help if you won't hang up your phone and call?
We don't know. We don't understand. There's supposed to be 7 numbers and an area code.
You don't have to understand. Hang up the phone and dial 911.
But all it's going to say is, I'm sorry.
Okay.
See what the woman says. I'm dying over here.
Can you hear me?
We're trying to hear you, bitch.
Hang up.
You're being an evil, prune, vicious bitch. Oh, God, help us, please. Oh, God, send a thunderbolt for this woman so she won't die in pain. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, help us, please. Help me.